Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we'll talk about the soft skills every software engineer needs. So you have mastered the coding languages, built some solid projects, and maybe even landed a job in tech. But here is a question: are your soft skills just as strong as your technical or hard skills? According to a survey, over 1,000 hiring managers said that 65% said our soft skills like communication, problem solving, and adaptability are just as important and as essential as the technical skills. In this video, we will break down the top skills every software engineer needs, why they matter for landing jobs and promotions, and also we talk about how to develop and showcase them in your career. So first, let's talk about why soft skills matter in tech. So there is a myth that software engineers are just like sit in dark room and code all day long, but is in reality, engineering is just a teamwork. It's a team sport, and soft skills are what make you a great teammate, leader, and a problem solver. Um, so the soft skills will help you first in landing a job. Employers want engineers who collaborate well. If your soft skill are not that solid, it will not be easy for you to land the job. Number two, to succeed in your role, like communication and teamwork will make you more effective and also will make the projects you are in successful. Number three, get promoted. Leadership, time management, and adaptability, all of these things are soft skills that will help you to move up. So even if you are an incredible coder, if you can't communicate, work in a team, maybe also or prioritize tasks effectively, you will struggle to grow in your career. Okay. Today, next we will talk about the essential soft skills for software engineers. And first, we start with communication. I would say this is the most important one. Communication isn't just about talking, it's about knowing your audience and delivering information clearly. Why this matters? For example, it will help you in writing a clear documentation and pull requests. It will help you in explaining technical ideas to non-technical teams. It will help you giving and receiving feedback effectively. A great engineer, it's not just someone who writes great code. It's someone who can explain their code. Next, we have teamwork. So even if you work remotely or independently, you will still have to collaborate with other engineers, designers, and product managers. How to be a better teammate or how to be a better team player? First, you need to listen actively, like pay attention when teammates share ideas. Number two, speak respectfully, and this is pretty important. Like disagreements are fine, but respect is key. You cannot disagree with someone and disrespect them. It will not work like that. And number three, share information. Like keep teammates in the loop. Don't hoard knowledge and don't assume like, yeah, this is big one. Please, 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 please. Don't assume that your teammates know what you're doing and your manager know what you're doing. Always, always be a better teammate and also over communicate. I would prefer over communicate under communicate rather than no communication or under communication. Next, we have emotional intelligence, and this one is a big one. It's really big one. So, emotional intelligence is the ability to read the room. Okay, so to manage emotions and navigate workplace dynamically. Examples of emotional intelligence, it would be, for example, you pausing before reacting to frustrating comment. Maybe you reading a teammate's body languages to know if they need help or not. Maybe you adjusting how you give feedback based on a person you're just speaking to. Technical skills can get you hired. The emotional intelligence helps you to build a strong professional relationships and become a leader. And it will help you way more than you think in the future. For example, if you got laid off or something, all of these relationships will help you to get a new job, for example. Number four, we have time management. So, software development is full of competing priorities like bug fixing, feature requests, meetings, deadlines, and yeah, etc. Strong time management help you stay productive without burning out. How to improve time management? First, break tasks into smaller steps. Number two, use project management tools like Jira and yeah, Jira or Notion. It's also great. Also, learn to say no to distractions. Being busy isn't the same as being effective. The best engineers know how to prioritize their work. Number five, we have to be initiative and have self motivation. Like great engineers don't just wait for instructions; they take initiative and solve problem proactively. An example for that, like you spotting inefficiencies in process and fixing them. Number two, maybe you keeping up with new technologies and improving your skills. Maybe you volunteering for new challenges that push your limits. Tech moves fast, pretty fast. Companies want engineers to know how, to know basically how can engineers take an actions, and actually companies want engineers who take actions and keep learning. Yeah. So how to show your soft skills to employee? Okay, I would say having strong soft skills is great, but you also need to prove them to employers. You need to understand how you can do that. First, you do this on LinkedIn or on your or on resume. So basically, you show, don't tell. Like instead of listing teamwork, you say, for example, you lead a team of 4 engineers to develop a new feature, reducing load times by like 50% or something like that. Also, you will need to use a present, past, future formats, like currently building a scalable backend systems, previously optimized APIs for fintech apps, excited to contribute to high impact projects. So you're doing something, you did this, and you're looking for this. So this will help you. Number two, in non-technical interviews, like most interviews include soft skills questions like tell me about a time you had to resolve a team conflict. What would you do if you made a mistake at work? Describe a project where you had to juggle multiple priorities. I would say this will help you a lot in your behavioral interviews. I'll maybe create videos, each video about one specific topic from this one, because I guess each topic is big one. And also in technical interviews. So to show you soft skills in technical interview, you need to think out loud, like it's explaining your approach clearly as you solve problems. Number two, asking clarifying questions, like showing that you analyze before jumping to solutions. Number three, handling challenges with a composure, like demonstrating problem solving under pressure. For example, a strong coder who communicates well will always stand out over someone who is technically great but is quite silent. So final thoughts. Yeah, let's recap the top soft skills for software engineers. Number one was communication, to speak clearly and listen actively. Number two, teamwork, to collaborate and share knowledge. Number three is to emotional intelligence, so basically to manage emotions and read social cause. Number four, time management, prioritize tasks and stay organized. And number five, initiative, solve problems before they become issues. No matter how good you are at coding, soft skills will set you apart. They help you land the jobs, thrive in teams, and become a leader in tech. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like it.